What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about jumping pull-ups or plyometric pull-ups. So this is a great progression exercise if we're working our way from banded pull-ups but not yet able to achieve a strict pull-up, or this is a great regression if we can do strict pull-ups but want to work on our speed, our tempo, kind of feeling our lats a little bit more, and if we want to work those fast twitch or type 2 muscle fibers. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to find some type of step stool or elevated platform so that as we set up for pull-up position, we are able to fully extend our elbow, okay, come to a full hang while still having a pretty significant bend in our knee. We want to be able to firmly plant through the ball of the foot, and this movement is going to start with a jump. So we want to be able to press through the ball of the foot, kind of fully extend the leg, and then notice I have a pretty significant bend at my elbow, and then my lats will just kind of finish the move as I jump up, okay? So that's what it looks like from the front. From the back, I'm just going to slide that stool out. Once again, I want to try to keep the toes directly under the bar. So I'm going to get that overhand grip. I'm going to come to a full hang, full extension at the elbow, eyes looking forward, pressing or driving through the ball of the foot, a strong press and extension at the knee, and then finish that movement with the arms, okay? Make sure with every movement, we are squeezing the shoulder blades together, drawing them down to the middle of the back, feeling those lats, and then getting in a nice smooth rhythm with a full hang or full arm extension at the bottom of each rep. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.